There you go. Kick a lot of rudder in with it. Just roll left. Too much work caused her to roll left, so I got a lot of left. I got a lot of right turn.
Do a lump shot.
Nope. Lumpshy who? Lumpshy Pollock?
You haven't put a lot in since, I mean, even since you first set it up.
Do a Polish
Still takes more.
I never put any road. There's
Some right rudder.
Yes, sir.
well, if you're standing 6